So the question of the day is, what is that one most important quality that sets apart a winner from a pool of contestants, in your opinion?
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
What is that most important quality, most unique quality that sets apart a winner from a pool of contestants? What makes the winner stand out?
Thank you, ma'am, for your question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Being a contestant or a student of this very prestigious platform, I would be saying that if a person has to be different or confident from other contestants or participants that sets apart to be a winner is most probably you need to be honest to yourself. Be yourself true and be confident of yourself and show the true reality who you are and for why you are here. For what purpose? To change the world. Because of there are many inequalities, what is happening worldwide. There are many poverty lines, many lagging behind because of women's education. So I think it's because of confidence, courage that sets apart the winner.